This factory-unlocked Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e is compatible with international GSM networks, enabling you to use it internationally. Weighing around 400 grams, Galaxy Tab S5e is ultra-portable. It is available in black color. The Samsung Tab comes with 4GB DDR4 SD RAM that allows you to switch easily between applications. It also features 64GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 1 TB, using a micro SD card to let you store all your pictures and videos at one place. The tablet comes with Wi-Fi and 4G LTE support. The Samsung Tab comes with a 10.5-inch Full HD Super AMO LED capacitive touchscreen for an immersive viewing experience for watching movies and videos. The tablet comes with a 13-megapixel autofocus rear camera with LED flash and an 8-megapixel front camera. It runs on Android Pie operating system with Qualcomm SDM670 Snapdragon 670 octa-core processor, making it ideal for running multiple apps. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods.